Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss gravimetric estimation of barium. Aim of the practical is to determine the amount of barium gravimetrically as BaSO4. Requirements are barium chloride solution. It is given about 10 to 15 ml. It is given in 100 ml volumetric flask. 2 normal HCl, 4 normal sulfuric acid, Whatman filter paper number 42 and silica crucible. Then we see the procedure. Gravimetric estimation of barium. Insert the funnel in the mouth of volumetric flask. Place the glass rod over the funnel. Now pour the entire barium chloride solution into the volumetric flask. Pour some distilled water into the reagent bottle and shake it well. Pour it into the volumetric flask. Repeat the same procedure till the entire barium chloride solution is transferred to the volumetric flask. Remove the glass rod and funnel from the standard flask. Make up the barium chloride solution to 100 ml using distilled water. Close the standard flask using cork. Shake the flask well. Take a clean beaker and open the cork of the flask. Take 20 ml barium solution from the flask using a pipette. Pipette out the solution into the beaker. Take 5 ml of 2 normal HCl into a measuring cylinder, about 5 ml. Add it into a beaker containing barium chloride solution. Pour some distilled water into the solution. Stir the solution using a glass rod. Heat the solution using heating mantle at 70 to 80 degrees Celsius. Remove the beaker into the heating mantle. Add some drop of 4 normal sulfuric acid using a dropper to the boiled solution and stir it well using a glass rod. Repeat the same procedure until a white powder precipitate out. Boil a solution using a water bath for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the beaker from the water bath and allow it to cool in an ice-cooled tray. Take a Whatmom filter paper and fold it to a conical shape. Fix the paper on the mouth of funnel. Pour some distilled water to wet the filter paper. Clamp the funnel on the stand. Place the beaker below the funnel. Hold the filter paper with glass rod and pour the solution slowly through the glass rod into beaker. Pour some hot water into a beaker to free the sulfate ion. Stir it with a glass rod. Pour the water completely into the beaker using the glass rod. To conduct the sulfate test, collect some drop from the funnel into a test tube containing barium chloride solution. A white precipitate is formed showing the presence of sulfate. Pour some hot water into a beaker again. Scrub it well to remove the precipitate. Pour the water completely into the beaker using glass rod. Sulfate test should be conducted. If no white precipitate is formed, absence of sulfate is indicated. Take a beaker and keep a funnel with a filter paper on the mouth of it. Cover the mouth of the funnel with filter paper. Keep the beaker in air oven for drying. Meanwhile, weigh a porcelain crucible. Hold the crucible using pair of tongues. Place the crucible on a tile. Remove the beaker from the oven using tongues. Use a spatula to loosen the filter paper in the funnel. Flatten the filter paper. Fold the edges of the filter paper over the top of filter paper. Place the filter paper containing moist precipitate into the crucible. Heat the crucible with the help of triangular stand. The paper will burn to ashes. Close the crucible with the lid. When the paper catches fire, after some time, we can see a white precipitate remove the crucible from the burner. Heat the white precipitate for some time. Place the crucible in a desiccator using tongues. Calcium chloride is present in the bottom of the desiccator. Keep the crucible in the desiccator for 15 minutes for further cooling. After 15 minutes, open the desiccator and take out the crucible. Weight a crucible again in the weighing balance. So this is the gravimetric estimation of barium. Thank you.